All right, let's see what broke overnight. And there it is. Huh. M365 login issue. Could be a password reset, MFA, conditional access, could be one of 20 different things. Before Liongard, I'd be opening 6 different tabs right now. Well, I'm already in Teams, so let's ask Liongard. Show me everything associated with this user in the Contoso environment. Okay, account's active, license is assigned, last login looks normal. MFA disabled 2 days ago. That's probably our answer. Now, I don't have to go hunting through Azure, Entra, Active Directory, documentation, or ask somebody if they changed anything. The system is already pulling the context together. Let me get that MFA re-enabled and verify she's able to sign in. A few minutes ago, this would have been an investigation. Now it's mostly confirmation. 1 ticket resolved in less than 2 minutes, before I've even had my morning coffee. All right, what else we got? Server acting weird. My favorite kind of ticket. Slow file server, users getting kicked off shared drives, started sometime this week, and nobody changed anything. Maybe. Or maybe nobody remembers changing anything. Before I start digging through server logs, AD, group policy, and 3 different admin portals, let's see what changed. Okay, that's interesting. SMB signing disabled, finance permissions changed, group policy modified, backup account password reset, and all of it happened the same night? That's not random. Those changes are clustered too closely together. The session drops line up with the SMB signing change. But I want the timeline before I make that call. There it is. 844, 847, 849, 901. Same server, same evening, no maintenance window. That's a trail. Now I have something better than a symptom. I have a sequence. SMB signing needs to be restored, finance permissions need immediate review, and this is headed to a tier 3. A minute ago, this was the server is acting weird. Now we know where to look. Now I need to get everything I found in front of the next engineer. The findings make sense, the timeline makes sense, but if they're trapped in my notes, none of that helps anyone. Based on everything we just found in the Northbridge manufacturing environment, generate a T3 escalation report. Include what the client reported, what Liongard found in the timeline, the affected assets, and recommended next steps. Format it as a Word document. Client issue, timeline, affected assets, risk assessment, recommended actions. Perfect. That's everything we uncovered, organized, and ready to go. No screenshots, no copy-pasting between tools, no rebuilding the story from scratch. The next engineer gets the full context. Not just the ticket. The investigation, the timeline, the reasoning behind it. That's what makes this useful. Liongard doesn't just help me find answers. It helps me carry context all the way through the workflow, from the first question to the final handoff. And that's one less thing slowing the team down.